what dangerous carbs diabetics need to stop eating. Understanding which carbohydrates to avoid is crucial for those managing diabetes. This video dives into the types of carbs that can disrupt blood sugar control, offering insights into how they affect your health. We aim to educate and guide diabetics in making smarter dietary choices, focusing on maintaining stable glucose levels for better overall well-being. Join us to learn about these foods and how to navigate your diet for optimal diabetes management. Number 1. White rice. White rice is a carbohydrate that can be particularly challenging for individuals with diabetes. It's a refined grain, meaning it has been stripped of its bran and germ, which reduces its fiber, vitamin, and mineral content. This processing results in a higher glycemic index, GI, meaning it can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels after consumption. The absence of fiber in white rice means that it's digested and absorbed quickly, leading to these swift increases in glucose levels. Consistently high post-meal blood sugar readings can be harmful over time, contributing to the risk of long-term diabetic complications, such as nerve damage and cardiovascular issues. For diabetics, it's often recommended to opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or barley, which have lower GI scores and provide more nutrients and fiber. This fiber helps slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, aiding in better blood sugar control. Remember, managing diabetes effectively involves making mindful food choices. If you enjoy rice, consider portion control and balancing it with low GI foods like vegetables and lean protein to mitigate its impact on your blood sugar. Your journey with diabetes is personal and small. Sustainable changes can make a significant difference in your health. Number 2. Fruit juices. As we continue, please subscribe to this channel if you're finding this video helpful. Thank you. Fruit juices, while often perceived as a healthy choice, can pose significant challenges for individuals with diabetes. Despite being natural, these juices are high in fructose, a type of sugar, and they lack the fiber found in whole fruits. Fiber in whole fruits not only provides nutritional benefits, but also slows down the absorption of sugar, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. When you drink fruit juice, the absence of fiber means the sugar is rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream, leading to quick and significant spikes in blood sugar levels. This can be particularly problematic for diabetics, who need to carefully manage their blood glucose. It's important to understand that even 100% fruit juice, with no added sugars, can have this effect. As a healthier alternative, diabetics are often advised to eat whole fruits in moderation, which provide the same vitamins and minerals as juice, but with the added benefit of fiber. Remember, managing diabetes effectively involves being mindful of not just what you eat, but also what you drink. Small changes, like swapping fruit juice for whole fruit, can have a positive impact on your blood sugar control and overall health. Number 3. Pastries and cakes. Pastries and cakes, while tempting, can be particularly hazardous for individuals managing diabetes. These foods are typically high in refined sugars and carbohydrates, as well as unhealthy fats. The combination of these ingredients leads to a high glycemic index, meaning they cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. When you consume pastries and cakes, the refined carbs are quickly broken down into sugar, entering your bloodstream at a fast rate. This sudden surge in blood sugar can be difficult to manage for diabetics, who need to maintain stable glucose levels. Additionally, the high fat content in these foods can lead to insulin resistance over time, further complicating blood sugar control. While it's natural to crave sweets, it's important for diabetics to seek healthier alternatives or enjoy such treats in very small, infrequent amounts. Opting for desserts with lower sugar content, higher fiber, and healthier fats, or experimenting with diabetic-friendly recipes can be a better choice for blood sugar management. Remember, managing diabetes doesn't mean you can't ever enjoy your favorite foods. It's about balance, moderation, and making informed choices for your health. Number 4. White bread. White bread is a common staple in many diets but poses significant challenges for individuals with diabetes. Made from refined wheat flour, it has had most of its fiber and nutrients removed during processing. This lack of fiber is a key concern for diabetics because fiber plays a crucial role in slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, helping to regulate blood sugar levels. When you consume white bread, its refined carbohydrates are quickly converted into glucose, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar. These spikes can be difficult to manage for those with diabetes, necessitating careful monitoring and control of blood glucose levels. As an alternative, whole grain breads are a much healthier option. They contain more natural fiber, which helps to moderate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of glucose. Whole grain breads also provide more nutrients compared to white bread. Understanding the impact of different types of carbohydrates on blood sugar is essential in diabetes management. Making a switch from white bread to whole grain options can be a simple yet effective step towards better health and blood sugar control. Number 5. Potato chips and French fries. Potato chips and French fries, popular snack and side options, present significant challenges for individuals managing diabetes. Both are high in simple carbohydrates and are typically cooked in unhealthy fats. The simple carbs in potatoes are rapidly broken down into glucose, leading to quick spikes in blood sugar levels. The high glycemic index of these foods means they can rapidly elevate blood sugar, which is particularly problematic for diabetics who need to maintain stable glucose levels. Additionally, the frying process adds unhealthy trans and saturated fats, which can contribute to insulin resistance over time, further complicating diabetes management. It's important to understand that while occasional indulgence might be part of a balanced diet, regular consumption of high-carb, high-fat foods like potato chips and French fries should be limited. Opting for healthier alternatives, such as baked sweet potato fries or homemade vegetable chips, can satisfy cravings without the adverse effects on blood sugar. Managing diabetes effectively involves being mindful of both the quality and quantity of carbohydrates and fats in your diet. Substituting high glycemic, fatty foods with healthier options can significantly improve blood sugar control and overall health. Number 6. Processed snack foods. Processed snack foods, commonly found in most households, pose a significant challenge for people with diabetes. These snacks, including items like crackers, cookies, and prepackaged treats, are often made with refined flours and high amounts of added sugars. The refining process strips away beneficial fibers, vitamins, and minerals, leaving behind simple carbohydrates that are quickly broken down and absorbed into the bloodstream. For someone with diabetes, this rapid absorption can lead to sharp spikes in blood sugar levels. Consistently high blood sugar can contribute to long-term complications associated with diabetes, such as nerve damage, kidney disease, and heart problems. Moreover, many processed snacks contain unhealthy fats and additives, which can exacerbate insulin resistance, a common issue in type 2 diabetes. It's important to read labels and choose snacks wisely. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, nuts, and whole grains can provide more nutritional value and have a gentler effect on blood sugar. Small changes in snacking habits can make a significant difference in managing diabetes effectively. Number 7. Sugary soft drinks. Sugary soft drinks are a significant concern for individuals with diabetes due to their high sugar content and rapid impact on blood sugar levels. These beverages are typically loaded with added sugars, which can quickly elevate blood glucose. When consumed, the sugar in these drinks is rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream, leading to sharp and often sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes, consistently high blood sugar can increase the risk of long-term complications such as cardiovascular disease, kidney damage, and nerve problems. The absence of any nutritional value in sugary soft drinks, coupled with their high calorie content, also contributes to weight gain, which can exacerbate diabetes and make blood sugar harder to control. Switching to healthier options like water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a splash of natural juice can significantly reduce sugar intake and positively impact blood sugar management. Remember, making informed choices about what you drink is just as important as the food you eat in managing diabetes. Every small step towards healthier habits is a stride towards better health and well-being. Number 8. High-sugar breakfast cereals. High-sugar breakfast cereals can be particularly problematic for individuals with diabetes, posing challenges to effective blood sugar management. These cereals often contain considerable amounts of added sugars, which can lead to rapid increases in blood glucose levels upon consumption. When eaten, the simple carbohydrates in these cereals are quickly broken down into glucose and absorbed into the bloodstream. This rapid absorption can cause significant spikes in blood sugar, making it difficult for those with diabetes to maintain stable glucose levels. Additionally, many high-sugar cereals lack sufficient dietary fiber, which is essential for slowing the absorption of sugar and aiding in blood sugar control. It's important to carefully read nutrition labels and choose breakfast cereals that are lower in sugar and higher in fiber. Options like whole grain cereals, oats, or bran varieties can be healthier choices. Pairing these with protein-rich foods or healthy fats can further help in moderating blood sugar levels. Remember, managing diabetes involves making informed dietary choices. Opting for lower sugar, higher fiber breakfast options can contribute significantly to better blood sugar control and overall health. Diabetics must be cautious of carbohydrates that can rapidly spike blood sugar levels. Foods like white bread, sugary soft drinks, processed snacks, high-sugar cereals, and fried items can pose significant health risks. Opting for healthier alternatives and monitoring carbohydrate intake are vital steps towards effective diabetes management and overall well-being. You might also want to watch this video for effective low-carb diets for diabetics. And please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.